Hello, everyone. My name is Chonghwa Seo. I teach interior and lighting design at Chaminade University of Honolulu. Last year, I have introduced the visual syllabus, and from faculties of various disciplines, there were many inquiries about how to make it. I have originally made this in one of Adobe softwares called Illustrator. Because the availability of the software is limited and making the syllabus graphic in the program is complicated, the exploration of making a syllabus in a different format was necessary. Now the visual syllabus can be made in a Google slide. The graphic format is very much compatible, and the components in the syllabus are easy to modify. So now, you can make your own visual syllabus easily with this tutorial video. First, you write your course name, semester, your name on the top left corner. Next, you write your course number and your course schedule as a word on the top of the page and place the student's task on the bottom of the page. Then draw a line from each letter and stop the lines in the middle of the page. The placement of the titles and lines visually divide the page in two parts. The top portion of the page is instructor's part, where titles of learning subject will be written. The bottom portion is the student's part, where their assignments will be indicated. Next, you make a thin stripe in the middle. Each week will be written in this stripe. This stripe is the timeline of the whole semester by each week. Then figure out how many main topics you're going to cover in this course. This number will determine the number of colors you will use. And try to limit the number of main topics within about 5 or 6, because too many colors will be distracting in a graphic format. For example, for Environmental Interior Design 325 Introduction to Lighting Design course, it has 5 main learning topics. 1. Quality of lighting in interior design. 2. Lighting types. 3. Measuring lighting and controls. 4. Lighting design documentation. 5. Codes and lighting design professions. Based on that, I have 5 color set. Next, you place the colored shapes to corresponding weeks. The shape tool is in top main menu here, shape, and there are different shapes here. In this case, I chose oval. Once you place them on your week stripe, you start changing the size of geometry based on the complexity of the learning subject in each week. You simply click on the shape, hold down the Shift key, and you can change the shape sizes very easily in that way. If the content of the subject is in higher level, then the geometry will be bigger than others. You can change a geometry for a special week. In this graphic format, I have used a star shape for the finals week to distinguish and emphasize this week with the rest of other weeks. Then you use the line tool to connect learning subject and corresponding week bubble. The line tool is also in the top menu here, and you simply click on it and you draw the line. Your learning subject titles and geometry itself can be hyperlinked to internal Google files or external websites. In this case, course introduction is hyperlinked already. You simply click on it. It leads you to the syllabus file, which is internal Google file in your Google Drive. So text-heavy or graphic-heavy contents can be hyperlinked in this way. In order to hyperlink, you can simply select the word or the shape, either way. Then you click right in your mouse, and there's options come up. And there's a link option. You click on it, and you copy paste the website or the link here, and you click on apply. Then it's going to hyperlink to the information that you want to share. Next, you add assignments and tasks for students by the same way as how you made the information accessible for instruction part. In this case, design perspective is hyperlinked here. I can click on it. Then it leads me to the actual website with the article. You can also create various formats of visual syllabus with specific days by adding the legend of different colored lines. In this case, different days are color-coded in this legend right here. So for example, presentation 1 is underlined with a blue line. This means that presentation 1 will happen on Friday in week 6. You can also create the geometry shapes that tie with your course subject. So the graphic interest can be enhanced in your syllabus schedule. This visual syllabus is in a schedule format. However, by hyperlinked to actual syllabus information and other links, the schedule becomes a course map for the semester. And since the syllabus is made in a Google slide, it is easy to modify in the interest of a pedagogy. It can be also interactive between instructor and students by graying out the geometry after each week is finished. You can just simply click on the geometry, go to the fill color in the top menu, and then click on the gray. And it shows as the week is finished. The visual syllabus shows milestone in learning the subject graphically, so it is easy to understand for students on how learning of the subject is developing throughout the semester. It is convenient because all the necessary course contents are presented in one graphic format instead of multiple pages. A visual syllabus also provides an opportunity for instructors to make their syllabus more unique for the course and stimulate learning interest to students on the first day of semester. So now you know how to make a visual syllabus. Hope you'll enjoy making your unique and visually interesting syllabus to engage students with a course subject. Have fun. Thank you.